I slide down the slide. I slide down the slide. The slide is in the shape of an elephant. The slide is in the shape of an elephant. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. I see yellow flowers. I see yellow flowers. They are yellow tulips. They are yellow tulips. I count them. I count them. I pick flowers. I pick flowers. I want to give them to Mommy. I want to give them to Mommy. Mommy will be glad. Mommy will be glad. I hold Mommy's hand. I hold Mommy's hand. Her hand is warm. Her hand is warm. We go shopping. We go shopping. I hurt my knee. I hurt my knee. I tripped over a stone. I tripped over a stone. It hurts a lot. It hurts a lot. I eat soup. I eat soup. It's yummy. It's yummy. I can use chopsticks well. I can use chopsticks well. I put flour, water and eggs in the bowl. I put flour, water and eggs in the bowl. I'm breaking an egg. I'm breaking an egg. I'm a good cook. I'm a good cook. I stir them. I stir them. I use a whisk. I use a whisk. I need much power to stir them. I need much power to stir them. I add a pinch of salt. I add a pinch of salt. The salt is in a green shaker. The salt is in a green shaker. I season with salt. I season with salt.
I scoop the flour. I scoop the flour.
I scoop it with a spoon. I scoop it with a spoon. I have to be careful not to put in too much batter. I have to be careful not to put in too much batter. I turn it over. I turn it over. It is mixed well. It is mixed well. It became a lump. It became a lump. I need it. I need it. I sprinkle some flour over the board. I sprinkle some flour over the board. It makes me tired. It makes me tired. I read a book. I read a book. It's a very colorful picture book. It's a very colorful picture book. I put my bear by my side. I put my bear by my side. I go to see my friend. I go to see my friend. He lives in the next town. He lives in the next town. What shall we play today? What shall we play today? I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet. I have to go back soon. I have to go back soon. I can't take a bus without money. I can't take a bus without money. I draw the curtains. I draw the curtains. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. I see a lot of people going home. I see a lot of people going home. I lock the door. I lock the door. I insert the key in the lock. I insert the key in the lock. Don't forget to lock the door before you go out. Don't forget to lock the door before you go out. I put coins into the ticket machine. I put coins into the ticket machine. I know how to get the ticket. I know how to get the ticket. There are always so many people in a station. There are always so many people in a station. I push the button. I push the button. Then the ticket comes out of the machine. Then the ticket comes out of the machine. I only have to pay half the price. I only have to pay half the price. I put the ticket in my pocket. I put the ticket in my pocket. I must remember where I put it. I must remember where I put it. I had my ticket punched. I had my ticket punched. I run around in the train. I run around in the train. Nobody sits here. Nobody sits here. Wow, it's a lot of fun. Wow, it's a lot of fun. I get off the train. I get off the train. I jump onto the platform. I jump onto the platform. The train is going to leave. The train is going to leave. I give my ticket to the station employee. I give my ticket to the station employee. He wears a blue uniform. He wears a blue uniform. I want to become a station employee too. I want to become a station employee too. I wait for the flowers to bloom. I wait for the flowers to bloom. It has a pink bud. It has a pink bud. I planted seeds in this flower pot. I planted seeds in this flower pot.